Good evenings, all my dear students. Today is a very important day all over the world because this is the day we are celebrating International Day of Families. You are all are in the lockdown situation due to pandemic, so there is very importance of celebrations of International Day of Families. What is the backgrounds of celebrations of families? What is the history and what is the themes of different years and how the family who is working as a functional unit in the society? Let's discuss in details. International Day of Families. International Day of Families is observed on the 15th May every year, and day was proclaimed by the UN General Assembly in 1993 with the regulations ARRES 47 237 and reflect the importance the international community attaches to the families. Importance of International Day of Families. The day is celebrated to highlight the importance of families and filial bonds by the international community. According to the UN, the International Day of Families provides an opportunity to promote awareness of issues relating to families and to increase the knowledge of the social, economic, and demographic process affecting them. On this day, various events like workshops, seminars, meetings are organized to raise awareness of the annual theme, which is which is given by the UN General Assembly every year. Theme of International Day of Families. The theme of International Day of Families 2021 is the families and the new technologies. According to the UN, the celebrations of the day this year will focus on the impacts of new technology on the well-being of families. In 2021, families and new technologies, and 2020 families in developments, Copenhagen's Beijing plus 25. In 2019, families and climate actions focus on SDG Sustainable Development Goal 13. In 2018, families and inclusive societies. In 2017, families, education and well-being. In 2016, families, health, healthy lives and sustainable futures. In 2015, men in charge of gender equality and children's rights in contemporary families. 2014, families matter for the achievements of development goals. International Year of the Family plus 20. 2013, advancing social integrations and intergenerational social solidarity. 2012, ensuring work family balance. 2011, confronting family poverty and social exclusions. 2010, the impact of migrations on families around the world. So, theme of International Day of Families. The day was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly in 1994 in response to the changing economic and social structures that are affecting the stability and structure of the family units in different parts of the world. This came a year later after UN in 1993 passed the resolution to showcase the determinations of the organizations to encourage better living standards and social progress of families across the globe. Every year since 1995, the International Day of Family has been observed on May 15th. What is a family? A family is a group characterized by common residence, economic cooperations, and reproductions. It includes adults of both sexes, at least two of whom maintain a socially approved sexual relationship, and one or more of their children of their own or adopted by the sexually cohabiting adults. The family is a functional unit. The biological, emotional, and economic needs are the foundation of a family. Every association of family, it be a state, a nation, or a tribe, has its own distinctive culture, its modes of living and thought, which are developed as a response to the peculiar circumstances of the environment, natural and ecological. Family is the agency through which the impressionable raising generation is mad. Family is a functional unit. It teaches the individual what situations to anticipate, how to behave, and what behavior to expect by giving on their gifts of language and dress which integrate with one's cultural ethos. It facilitates adjustment to the peoples and groups outside the family circles. Family play an important role in transmissions of cultural traditions from one generation to another. It acts as a educative unit and social cultural agency. What is a family? Is a distinct features of family. What are the distinct features? First one, universality. Second, emotional basis, educative role, limited size, nuclear positions, sense of responsibility among members, social regulations, and persistence and change. Effects of modernizations on family. In the simple and present societies, family was the unit of productions as well as the primary unit of society. In the industrial society, the family has lost the place of being the unit of productions and has been replaced by individual as the primary unit of society who are wage earners or professionals. Global trends emerging in the family. Some of the general trends in family today with the progress of industrialization, urbanizations and the modernizations are towards greater degree of emphasis on individualism and independence, greater differentiations and specialized functioning of social institutions, live in an urban settings, birth control and family planning, social mobility, martial disruptions and divorce, neglect and improper care for the elderly, formal education for children, governmental influence on family activities. Institution of family in India. Family is the most important institution in society. Institution of family in India. India has Indian family, which is predominantly joint or extended, has remained remarkably stable despite some marked and drastic social, political, economic, and religious changes over the last 30 years. Family has retained its primarily joint or extended characteristics. Family on the Indian fringe are undergoing a change. The main factors of changing are modern education, development programs, and urbanization. The directions of change is from the hold of collectivity, tribe, clan, and family to increasing individuality. Women in Indian family. Women are the arbitrators of social change. They play an important role in teaching the human entrance to this world, the first lessons of the life, and making them asset value which are helpful later in shaping their personality, attitudes, and behaviors. Women set the pattern of the family. If women's reproductive health needs are met through a good quality service, they will themselves become the best supporters of the family planning programs. Women in Indian family from all over the world. These are the pictures. Thank you for watching.